What's up guys? So this video it's gonna be different from the others. Usually I'm showing you new features on new iOS's and stuff like that, but this time I'm gonna make a video about Snapchat. So if you use Snapchat a lot, you will definitely like this. These are some secrets and some hidden features that you will definitely enjoy. And so first of all, Snapchat, that's not very new. That's here for quite a long time, but I haven't shown this to you before. I actually never made a video about Snapchat, so I'm gonna show you all of the secrets and hidden features that I have found inside Snapchat since the beginning, because I have never made a video on Snapchat and I wanted to show you. So first of all, Snapchat has a 3D touch function. It wasn't there before, it got added recently, but now it has a 3D touch function, and from there you can chat or add friends, and yeah, it's pretty cool. That's really nice. And so except that, there is also if you haven't seen that, you love it. So let's see here my camera, and when you hold down on your face, there are lenses. So this is something like, something like this you see now. Huh. Oops. So let me make it again. Oh, this one. I really love this one. Wait, I got it. Just to... okay. This one's really nice. So yeah guys, this is these are the lenses in Snapchat. It's just an amazing feature. You can hold on your face and get really cool effects, and these are updated quite often. The ones I showed you are holiday special, and there are some other ones as well. Check them out for yourself. And this is they are updated quite often, so there are some new ones, and they add some new ones. They remove the old ones, and if you want them again, you must buy them. But well, at least they update them and add new ones, and sometimes they bring back the old ones, so they cycle them, and it's really nice. Yeah, it's a really nice feature. If you didn't know about this before and use Snapchat a lot, I'm sure you enjoy it. So other hidden features, they are not actually hidden features, but some cool little tricks. Well, if you take a photo here, you can add not only one filter. For example, here one filter, and then you hold down with your finger, and I can't do this right now, but you hold down with your finger, then add another one like this. So you can add two or even more filters to one photo. I don't think I don't think you can add more, but you can add at least two. Yeah, take a photo, and you can see, and now when I add a filter and then hold and then swipe again, I can add another filter. So you can add two filters to one photo, which is nice. And if you make a video, let's make a video here, just something on my desk, and then there are really cool filters for the videos. So these filters, and then the speed, the temperature, the clock, and this is slow motion, which isn't exactly very nice, because it doesn't use the I mean, it doesn't use the you know, the camera that the slow motion that the 6S has. It uses some not very good slow motion. It looks a bit choppy, but it's nice. And the fast motion, and let me mute this, and really fast motion. You can see you can make it really fast. And the slow motion, I'm not sure if it uses exactly the same slow motion as the 6S camera. I don't think so, but it's nice. You can make slow motion of a video, so fast forward them so much, and that's really nice. And yeah, so the filters on the videos, and also the trophies. If you don't know about this, you can collect trophies. I don't have much right now, but I'm gonna try and collect them. This is if you verified your phone number in settings, if you verified your email, and your Snapchat score hit 100. I'm not sure what the other ones are, but I'm gonna find them out and try to get them, and if I get them, I'll make a video to show you what they are. And so guys, that's it. I decided to make a video, different video from these that I usually make. I decided to make a video about Snapchat. So yes, it's different video from the videos I make about features and stuff, but it's nice. If you're using Snapchat a lot, you definitely enjoy these tricks and secrets, and yeah, it's amazing. I really love them, and I'm sure you also love them if you use Snapchat a lot. So guys, when Snapchat updates, I will make another video showing you the new tricks and new features, and I will keep these videos for Snapchat. When Snapchat gets updated, I will be sure to upload a new video, so I can keep you updated on the new tricks and features in Snapchat. And if you use this app a lot, you will love this. And so guys, like this if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Peace out.